So, hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back in this channel. And guys, I am so excited about this video, and I am sure that after watching and after listening the topic of this video, you also will be so happy, because this video is gonna be a new type of video, and the new type is the unboxing video. Yes guys, this video is gonna be a very interesting, a very important unboxing video, because I am gonna unbox a new thing. Yes guys, I am gonna unbox the mic. Yes guys, the microphones that we everyone knows. For to be a perfect creator of YouTube, we everyone need mic. Yes guys, the mic, the small mic that we put here, that if you also watch this and this, so this microphone is so important to make videos. And also if you want to speak with your audience in a distance of your phone or your camera, then it can be lots of problems, and also you can see lots of problems that your sounds are not going there clear, and also your camera or your phone is not capturing your sound clearly. So in that moment everyone need the microphone, means the mic. Yes guys, and if you also just watched my previous videos, then you can understand that I also used a very old mic. Yes, but unfortunately the mic is just broken. Yes, the mic just broken, and in that time also lots of people commented me that change your mic or do something with your mic, because it is showing us lots of problems, your sounds are not coming well. So now guys, with the solution I just come here again. Yes guys, today as you listen right, that this video is gonna be the unboxing video of the microphone. Yes, the microphone, what is the microphone and how it's work, everything I'm gonna show you. So I'm very excited about the microphone. So here is the packet of the microphone. As you can see, it is, I also don't touch, we order it from the Amazon, and I want to unbox it, what is inside the mic, how it is the microphone, everything. I also just don't touch the box, it is a brand new box. So guys, let's go. But I will just unbox it. I need a setup. So guys, for to call the setup, you have to subscribe our channel. Yes guys, subscribe. In the countdown 3, you just subscribe and hit the bell icon. Then the automatically setup will be. So 1, 2, 3. Setup doesn't come. Why? What is the matter? I know you don't subscribe. Guys, please subscribe. This microphone I also to do lots of things. We need the thing. We need your help. We need your support. So guys, please subscribe, like this video, and 1, 2, 3. So guys, as you can see, our setup just come, and now let's go. Let's unbox this box. Guys, now just let's unbox this box. So here is a wrap, a normal wrap. So just open it. I will open it and just watch. So here is the thing guys. As I am just opening the box very carefully, because if something went wrong, then we have to return it to Amazon. So I will advise to everyone, first just try to open the box, open the parcels carefully, because we don't know that what is gonna and what it will be in the box. So here is the thing guys, here you can see. So here is the box, here is the wrapper. So now just let's open it by the guys, I want to say that it is our microphone. Yes guys, you see it, and I think it come from Japan, because here is some letters. I don't know that which language is, but it is very awesome. Like, this is our phone and it will be like the thing guys. So just remove it from here. So now this is our box. Let's open it. What is inside the box? I wanna see very quickly. So here is the thing, guys. Here are some like keys, and also they give us this type, and it also has a wrapper. So it is a thing in the back side. You can get some things like here. You can see, guys, for your better vision. So it is the thing. It is everything. It is like I don't know what is names and what is this, but let's go. Let's open the thing. So from I think from here it just opened. So here you can see, guys. So I like to unbox things. It is my favorite thing. So here you can see it. So wow, it's looking so beautiful, guys. So here is the thing. Here is all the wrapper, and now I think we have to push. Oh my god. So guys, let's go. And guys, it is the thing, guys. It is the microphone that I want to say. That you can see here is the microphone and here is connector. So let's open it also. Oh my god, here is the thing, guys, and here it is the thing, and they also give us some manuals. So here you can see in the box, and then I think that it is the cable, and the box is empty. The thing is also empty. So let's see what is the cable, what is the type of the cable they give us. And you can see this cable, and it is the charger, I think. So it is the thing. So guys, let's go now. Let's see how it is. So here is, guys, here is the thing, and I don't know what is this. If you know, then just comment me. And now the main thing it is. I am just pushing it behind. I'm just pushing it back. So guys, you can see this is our microphone, and this is a clip. They give us a simple clip to just put it in our shirt like this. And also the next thing is the connector. This thing will help us to connect the microphone with our mobile. So it is the thing, guys. It is this cable, and I think that now I have to just give it some times to charge. But first of all, let's open it. So here is the thing. Here is the button of the open. Like here you can see it is the button, and it's, guys, open. You can see the light things. So it is the thing, and now just let's go. I will give it a charge for a moment, and then I will show you that how it works, how the sound just comes. So guys, wait a second. So guys, it is the thing, guys. After working a lot of hard work, I just listen this sound. Yes, what you're just listening, it is the real sound of this mic. I just connect with my phone, and then I am just picking now. So it is the thing, guys. I want to say you that like lots of people will say me that why I am just holding in like this. They also give us a clip to just put in our shirt, but I don't do this because hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back in our channel. So this is the sound, this is the difference that I just taking it like this. So it is the thing is I don't know that what is the thing we got really scammed or it is the right one. So guys, please go to the comment section and just fill with comments, fill with your advice what I should do now. Like, please advise me now what I should do. I should return this mic to the Amazon and buy a new one, or I should make some videos with this mic. So guys, all just depend on you, and I also just brought this mic for to make my accent clear, for to share my accent very clearly with you, but it is totally different. And now guys, please comment me which sound is better, the first original sound or the last with the mic sound. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and guys, please comment me what should I do now, and bye bye. I will see in the next video. If this video hit lots of likes and also views, then I will just try to buy a new one and make a video with you all. So guys, bye bye. Thank you for watching it here.